Well, welcome to this video where we're going to have a look at trying to add into this section here, okay, a picture gallery. So where it says suitable pictures for the picture gallery can be found on the shared drive. Okay, what we want to do is to remove that bit of text and actually put in something that's going to look a bit like that one or this other one that I've done. Not there. Here. Okay, so this particular end type of result. Okay, so the question is, how do we do that? Now I notice that some of you have already tried to put this picture gallery in. What I'd like you to do is just to make it a bit bigger, have 4 pictures like this, so it takes up a good amount of room here. And you might notice that we might need to move this picture gallery with some of the text to a slightly different position on the page. Okay, so this is the other one that I did here. Okay, so going back to the one that hasn't been completed yet, this one. So let's remove this text here. Simply highlight and delete, make a little bit of room, press enter a couple of times. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to insert. We're going to use the Smart Art option. Now I want to go down to where it's got picture down here, and the one I'm looking for is the one that says bending picture caption. So this one here. So it's about the sixth one from the, sorry, seventh one, 1, 2, 3, 4, seventh one from the start. And simply click OK. Now at this stage here, if you click in here, okay, so I've clicked on the little picture icon, do that again, click in here, browse to where you've got your pictures. Now you need to have got those from the shared drive, so they should be these pictures here. Okay, so I'm going to start off with this picture, insert, and I'm just wondering why I'm not getting the design, I mean the little pop out that you normally get on the left hand side here. So let me just have a quick look at that. Here we go, it's this text pane here. I want to show that because it's a bit easier to actually put the text into here. So I can either type the text in here, or what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually cut and paste it from another one that I've already done. Okay, and let's just repeat that. Click on the picture, browse. Okay, that's the one I'll use. Let's go to that completed one. Okay, now when you get to the stage where you want to put another one in, simply put your cursor there and press enter, and thankfully it won't just put more text in, it will actually allow you to put another image in. Okay, text again. Now this text I'm using, you may be wondering, where does that come from? Completely made up. Okay, so I simply did a bit of creative writing here and got some of the members and made up a little bit of a caption here. Okay, and the last image we're going to put in. As you can see, it doesn't really matter the order in which the pictures go in. Just put them in and have a suitable caption for each of them. Okay, alright, so let's just close that for now. Now if we can see here, this doesn't look too bad, but it's a bit small. So what I'd like to do is I would like to well, get rid of this big margins here, but also increase the size of this a bit. Now, what I've found is that this actually takes up quite a bit of room when we increase the size of the pictures. So I'm going to basically grab this whole picture gallery with the text above it. I'm going to cut that from there, Control X, go up here, and let's paste that in. So change the order slightly. Okay, and for the increasing the size, what I've done is I've clicked inside here, go into one of the corners here, and we can simply make that bigger. Keep in mind where your margins are, so having the ruler on is a useful guide there. Okay, it's pretty good, and the text's probably a little small, so I'm going to make that either 8 or preferably 9 points, 9 pixels. Now, if you get this situation here where the text is starting to move out of the box, we might have to actually put that down to 8. Once again, if that is still not enough, then we can actually increase the size of the box a bit. And you can edit the text as normal. I'm actually going to move the box as well a little bit if I can. Clicked on the edge, using the arrow key to move that in there. Would have preferred to keep the boxes the same size. So I'm just going to see if we can. Right, let's just select the whole thing again. And the option I'm preferring here is this one with the text boxes look like they're sort of coming out of the picture itself. So that option there is the one I'm going to prefer. That does rechange the size of the pictures a bit. Yeah, so just sort of make my mind here a little bit whether I want to go with that particular option or not. Yeah, I think I will. Now, once that's happened like that, well, I'm going to move this in a little bit. Notice what that does is that I'm trying to line up the left hand edge here a bit so that when the user reads this, their eye's not sort of having to come down here and then jut in. It's called alignment, so I'm trying to get the alignment tidied up. Okay, so the size of the text again, that was 8, this one's 9. Just want to keep some consistency and still make sure that it's readable, which I think that is, so it's looking pretty good. Okay, and yeah, I think we've now inserted a reasonable picture gallery. And this is one of the advanced features of Word that you can show, this insertion of a picture gallery using some smart art. Okay, and up here we're going to put a table of results in as well. Once again, how is that going to look? Okay, well, one that I did previously. In fact, we don't have the table of results here. No, so we'll have a look at that in a moment in the next video.